were talking
If you heard part of our conversation, I'm talking about allergies because I was saying that Mountain Cedar seems to be improving. So if you are like me and you suffer from that, but then my family was really having a hard time over the weekend because we got a whole new slew of stuff here in North Texas.
Okay, so what I was actually just looking at this, and Mountain Cedar this time of the year, technically it's going away. February is usually when it peaks. March is when it really starts to kind of dwindle down, but other tree pollen is up. Think hackberry, think oak. So other trees that are in bloom right now, those are the ones that are probably really irritating your family.
Yeah, and I say all this because we were outside this weekend, as I'm sure a lot of you were and will be over the next couple of days. It's just so nice outside.
I know, that sunshine has been great, and now that the wind is gone, for the most part.
Better? Okay,
better,
good.
Yeah, it's a little more comfortable still. So we've got blue sky overhead, temperature of 68 as we look from our Fair Park camera. And for a change, this camera is not shaking. You know, the winds are on the light side. What you need to know is that it stays dry, sunny, and warm the rest of the day. We could very well see our first 90-degree day of the year tomorrow, and it would be earlier than what's considered normal by about a month. A few rounds of rain also in the forecast, not just for Wednesday, but also for Friday. Today, though, this is how it plays out. Sunshine all day, light winds out of the south all day. Temperature of 78 degrees around 3, 81 degrees around 5, 79 around 7. Most of us will be in the upper 70s, low 80s today. Our western counties in the low 80s. If you're south of Interstate 20, you'll be in the low 80s. This is about 10 degrees warmer than what's considered normal for this time of the year. But look at what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow, a high of 91. That is 20 degrees above what's considered normal. And again, we generally don't see our first 90-degree day until April 18th, April 19th, around that time frame. After that, we are looking at temperatures dropping into the 70s, which is still technically warm by about 5 or 6 degrees. Let's talk rain. The rain that's moving in is going to be very, very light, especially as we go into Tuesday night going into Wednesday. This is around midnight Tuesday night. You see that cloud cover moving in, maybe a passing shower or two between midnight and 6 in the morning. Most of the rain looks to stay to the northeast, especially north of the Red River. So we'll be watching that because I think a few of these storms could dig south of the Red River sometime Wednesday into the early afternoon. But most of us will just see a passing shower and the cloud cover. Higher coverage will be to the northeast. I'm still keeping 30% coverage in the forecast for Wednesday. That includes the Metroplex because some models are trying to bring in a little bit more of that activity south. So we'll be watching that. The threat for severe weather is pretty low on Wednesday, but in the springtime, it's never zero. So we always have to be watching it. It says Friday around 7 in the morning. This time around, our rain comes from the south. Well, it'll start in the form of some scattered showers at first. We will see some of this rain kind of continue into the afternoon hours, maybe even a few thunderstorms developing. Notice how we see some of those darker colors south of DFW. Areas to the south could very well see some slightly heavier rainfall and maybe even a small flood concern, especially if you're traveling on Friday south of DFW, southeast of DFW. That'll be something to be watching. This is now showing you a snapshot of Friday at 7 p.m. That rain still in the area, and then it kind of dwindles down. This is Saturday, 7 in the morning. Some of our eastern counties could still see some of this activity. And then it does look like this activity kind of shifts off towards the east, and that's where it could cause some issues over the course of the weekend. So again, we're watching Wednesday and Friday for the potential of rain. 1 to 2 inches of rain will be possible during that time frame. Temperatures overall in the 70s for that second half of the week. 84 on Saturday, 79 on Sunday. Next week looks a little bit drier. We'll be back.